Welcome back, everyone. It is almost Friday. We are starting off this Thursday afternoon very warm and breezy and muggy, and still we have a lot of clouds in place. We saw a lot of clouds this morning, but we should see some more sunshine later on today. Speaking of breezy, take a look at the current winds. They're out of the south between 14 to 25 miles an hour with a gust of 32 in Brownsville, 29 in Harlingen, and 30 in Port Isabel. Temperatures right now quite warm, especially in McAllen at 89 degrees, 88 in Harlingen, 87 in Edinburgh, and 86 degrees in Raymondville. So obviously a very warm day, still breezy for this afternoon. We should see partly cloudy skies at 3 p.m. with a temperature of 93, right around 90 at 6 p.m. And we're back in the lower 80s at 9 o'clock this evening. More clouds come back later on tonight after some more sunshine later on this afternoon. So here's the surface map. We have one cold front draped over West Texas. We're seeing some showers toward North Texas and East Texas. And behind the front, the cool spot is in Amarillo at 62 degrees. Right now 69 in El Paso, much warmer to the southeast where it's 81 in Houston, 82 in Laredo, and 82 degrees in Longview. Right now 78 degrees in Abilene. On Future Track, there are the key words for us: warm and humid for today and for tomorrow. It's even hotter for tomorrow, but then that front, as it arrives here in the valley, is going to be very weak by tomorrow night when it arrives. So here are more keywords. Not much cooler for tomorrow night into Saturday morning. If you like nicer weather, step outdoors Saturday morning. At least the humidity takes a break Saturday morning with morning lows in the upper 60s. Still a bit on the warm side for Saturday afternoon and Sunday afternoon. It's the high temperatures in the lower 90s, but it should be dry for both Saturday and Sunday. Then the humidity really returns for next week. The front stalls out south of us for this weekend and then moves back to the north and then fizzles out for the start of next week. Just hot and humid for most of next week, especially for Monday, Tuesday, and for Wednesday. On the water, we have a small craft, rather small craft should use caution for this afternoon. The offshore Gulf waters will have winds out of the southeast at 15 to 20 knots. The bay waters are moderate chop. Your next tide is a low tide at 9:58 this evening, and the seas are 3 to 8 feet. So for the rest of the day, it stays hot, humid, breezy, mainly dry. And by mainly dry, we're talking only about a 5% chance of a shower or less. Partly cloudy skies, 93 degrees for the afternoon high. Winds out of the south to southeast at 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusting to 30 at times. Then for your Thursday night, the clouds sticking back up. It's a warm night with a low temperature of 73. So here's that 7-day forecast. Wow, 97 degrees tomorrow. A shower is possible, but that we're only talking about a 10% chance of a shower tomorrow. The weak front arrives late tomorrow night, early Saturday morning. So it's going to feel nicer both Saturday morning and Sunday morning with morning lows in the upper 60s to around 70. And I say nicer because the humidity takes a break for this weekend, especially in the morning. Mainly sunny on Saturday, patchy clouds for Mother's Day Sunday with high temperatures in the lower 90s. But the humidity is back for next week, mid-90s for the high temperatures next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We may have a slight chance of some showers for next Tuesday. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. Back to you, Dina.